This is your boy DJ JDM in the house. We back again with another video. Nike boys today. To be specific, J's. We into our Spider-Man stuff today. Let's go. Let's get it. Here we go, guys. Like I told you, we Nike boys today. It's Jordan boys. So we got here something that has to do a collab with a new movie from Spider-Man. Let's check this out. Ooh. Ooh. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Spider-Man. Clear bottoms. You don't see that many clear bottoms on once. Oof. Oof. Got little dots, like little hints. I believe there are 3Ms, if I'm not mistaken. So if you take a picture of this, you're gonna see a lot of dots. That's Spider-Man stuff. Pretty good shoe though. Leather, butter. That's all I can say. Mucho butter, mucho butter, mucho butter. Sexy shoe. Let's bring out the other one. Like these guys. Pretty here. Who's this? Where you guys going? There you go, guys. Nike boys again. Really cool shoe. Look like Chicago ones with the hints and the hints of clear bottom. Blue tag. Blue insole. Got black and red. Blue tips. Pretty cool shoe. Let's do some B-roll. Just wanted you guys to see it. How nice and clean this shoe is. Highly recommended. Go get it. If you're a fan of Spider-Man, you make sure you go get it. Let's shoot some B-roll and let's make this happen, Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for looking at the quick unboxing that we did on this Air Jordan 1's Chicago / Spider-Man theme. They're pretty cool. Go get it if you haven't get your pair. And you already know, subscribe, and we got more stuff going, so let's make it happen, guys. Thank you. Subscribe. Let's make this channel bigger. Thank you.